How to make Garena account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can make Garena account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, making a Garena account is also fairly simple. You might need a Garena account because maybe you want to start playing Free Fire or other games that Garena creates. So for this, first of all, you have to open your browser and then you simply need to go to account.garena.com. I repeat, account.garena.com. I will also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box below. When you go to account.garena.com, if you have an account, it will ask you to log in, but we're trying to create a new account. So right here you'll find an option that says register a new account. Tap the register a new account option here. Now over here, all you have to do is just simply make sure to fill in these details over here. So make sure you go ahead and then fill in the details. Make sure to enter a password that you like, re-enter the password, and also make sure to enter the email address from which you would like to create your your Garena account. Now you can also link a mobile number, that's optional, but you have to choose a region which is compulsory. So depending upon wherever you live in, just choose a certain region that where you belong from, and then from there on you can hit the register now option, and then you'll be able to create and finish creating your Garena account. This way you can basically make a Garena account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.